How to draw a tornado, step by step. Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well today. So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing two shapes which will look similar to the Nike logo, and this will be at the top of our page. The first shape that we draw will be closer to the left hand side, with the second shape being above and closer to the right hand side. Nice start! Doesn't that look similar to an upside down Nike logo? Now let's go ahead and make our second shape right above and to the right. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now that we have these two shapes drawn, we're going to finish drawing the top of the tornado. We're going to use a couple curved lines with one sharp point to connect these. If you're new to the channel, then I just want to say welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub, and we upload regularly, so if you enjoy watching step-by-step drawing tutorials just like today's video, then I highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button. We're making great progress so far. Now on the top of the tornado, we're going to add in a couple small lines for detail. This will be the only section of the tornado that we add detail to before we color. Now below what we just drew, we're going to draw two more shapes similar to what we just made. Keep in mind, we're going to use shapes similar to this throughout our drawing today. Now on the right hand side, we're going to begin to make this shape with a couple small curved lines on top of it. These small curved lines will be used to connect this piece to the rest of our tornado right above. Now a little to the left we'll make a similar shape, and then we'll begin to draw a second smaller shape right above. Then we'll connect this to what we made previously right above, just as we did on the right hand side. Now on the left hand side, we're going to use small curved lines to connect everything that we previously drew. This will help make the midsection of our tornado. Now we will add in two more shapes to add down below, just as we were previously using right above. Now we will connect everything on each side just as we have done previously. Now keep in mind that for today's video, everything that we do will be a little repetitive because the entire tornado will look similar, it will just be getting smaller throughout the drawing. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, be sure to give this video a big like so other YouTube artists can enjoy our drawing tutorials such as today's tornado drawing. With your help, we can continue to grow our community. As of right now, we have just over 5,000 subscribers, and a big goal of ours is to hit 10,000 by the end of the year. And with your help, we can definitely do that. If you want to help us, you can like, comment, and share the video with all of your friends. And once you do that, the YouTube algorithm will help us reach even more people and continue to grow our community. Now you might be wondering, why are all the shapes getting smaller and smaller as we go? The reasoning behind that is that we're working towards the point of the tornado, which will be a lot smaller. If they were all to be the same size, then we wouldn't be able to work towards the point of our tornado. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast or if the video is kind of hard to follow along, feel free to pause the video so you can catch up and complete what you're working on. The one thing that will really bring this drawing together is when it's all colored in, by using different shades of gray along with lighter colors to help it make it appear as if it's a real tornado. Now from this point, we won't be adding in any more shapes for our tornado. We're just going to connect the left side all the way over to the right by using small curved lines. This will help us get the point that we've been looking for. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of a tornado came out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, then share with me on Instagram by using hashtag LearnHowToDrawHub, or you can email it to me at learnhowtodrawhub@gmail.com. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I can't wait to draw with you tomorrow. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.